This 2025 Winnebago Solis Pocket 36B is a Class B RV. It is located in Rockford, Illinois, 61101 and is offered for sale by Winnebago Motorhomes. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 17 feet 10 inches in length and features a Nomad, natural, weathered teak 2 interior, sleeps 2, external shower, auxiliary battery, LP detector, stovetop burner, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, water heater, smoke detector, spare tire kit, and 20 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2025 Winnebago Solis Pocket 36B is built on a ProMaster 1500 chassis and is powered by a Pentastar VVT engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Winnebago Motorhomes.